Good morning, everyone. This is Sonny. Welcome to my channel. And yeah, I got back from the VA doctor's appointment. The only thing I had to do today was blood work and stuff. So I just got back. We're going to be doing some trading today. So let's get after it. Let's see where our accounts are, and we'll get busy. Okay, as you guys know, if you didn't watch my over the weekend special, both our stocks here for WIN and NCLH was assigned, and we got to keep all the money, all the premium and stuff. So it worked out okay for us. And currently, right now, based on our monthly report, we're over 3% by four. We're at 4.61%, a total of $1,356 so far for July. So we'll beat our 3% already. Okay, just for the folks that didn't watch my other video, but you need to watch that $2 million video. By the way, on the $2 million video, it's actually $2.5 million. And I'll show that probably on Wednesday. Okay, so let's move on over here to our accounts. Where are we at? Okay, as you guys know, once the options are assigned and once the weekly calls expire, then we end up with all this premium, 100%, 100%, 100%. Okay, and all that premium we get to keep, because remember, they give us premium up front, and we have to wait until the expiration date to find out how much of that we get to keep or if we get assigned. Like in our case, both these stocks got assigned, whereas ET didn't get assigned. We just got to keep that $193.49. Okay, we currently only have one position. It's an ET, and we currently only have one option open, which is $275 for the end of the month. So let's see if we can do some trades here real quick. Let's check out our balance real quick while we're at it. Let's hit the old balance. Okay, our account balance is somewhere around 32,000. This is the closest we're going to get. Remember, those options are out there, so that moves around. $32,831 and some cents here. Okay, let's move on to the market, see what's going on with the market real quick. Okay, it looks like the S&P is up a little bit, and the NASDAQ as well. Look like NASDAQ's up by 1%, or actually greater than 1%, and the Dow is kind of like hovering a little bit down. Not much, though, and the Russell as well. Okay, there's some earnings coming up here for the airlines and stuff this week on LUVs and Delta. I think Delta's coming up too. No, United is coming up. United and Southwest. I was looking at getting into these trades, but I think Southwest is going to take a dip below 32, and I was hoping for that to happen probably Wednesday. Okay, but what we're going to do today is we're going to look at our ET and try to do another covered call against the other 1,000 shares that we have, and let's look at Norwegian Cruise Line. I think it's time to pull the trigger on this thing here for maybe a $14.50 for this week and get some more premium. Okay, so let's go ahead and get busy. All right, let's go up here to research. Go down here to options. The computer's just kind of slow today. The internet is. Okay, let's put up our ET here. Let's see what we can look at for ET. We're looking at about the 31st for these options. I was hoping that we would have got a bigger bounce up to about 670 something. There's no additional news. what we're going to do is at least it's up 7 cents. It probably would have been better if we would have done an option trade. It's last week, but I didn't want to lose like $26 and stuff into doing a trade. So, okay, let's look at the option chain. All right. All right, we know we're not going to go after the 650s for this week. It wouldn't be profitable for us. Now here, I wanted to go for the 7s, but it looks like we're going to have to do the 650s, and that's okay too. If we just break even off of it, I'm okay with it too. So let's go ahead and go with the 650 and see what we can do here. Let's do a trade. Now the only thing we're going to do is do a call option, okay? Because remember, we already have 1,000 shares. So we're going to do a call. We're looking at the 650, and we're going to sell to open. Remember that, sell to open. Remember, we got 1,000 shares, so that's a total of 10 options. Okay. Now it went up a little bit here. I'm going to go in between these two amounts. Let's go with 29 cents on a limit. And let's select for day, and then click here, all or none. Okay, that would give us $290. Okay. And let's hit review order. And let's go with let's check our order real quick. What we're doing is sell to open 10 calls at the expiration 31/0/20 at the 650 strike price. Let's submit. Wow, that looks good. We got executed. We didn't even have to try hard. We probably should have went for 30 cents. But it's okay. All right. We executed it at 29 cents. So, let me see something here. Let's look at activity. All right, we're good to go on that. Okay, let's leave that alone. Okay, all right, we know the position got executed. Let's look over here. NCLH is what we want to get into next. It's staying down here on the low side. I'm glad for that. All right, good. Because remember, they're selling shares right now on the open market for $15 a share to these brokerage accounts. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to go look at our options and see what type of trades we can get into on those. Let's go over here to options. Okay, NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Lines. We like this moneymaker for us. Okay, at 15.12, I really like it at 15 better. Whoa, they even exercise the over-allotted options as well. So they sold off all their shares at $15 a share for the $250 million that they were trying to raise. So that was quick. That was good news that people wanted more of these shares at 15 bucks. I know why, so they can dump them on the open market for 15.12. So okay, so let's play these guys' game. Let's see what we can come up with here. Okay, we're going to do 5 We're going to do 5 options here, so it's at 15.10. Okay, that's good. That's coming down to our price that we wanted at. Now we're going to do the weekly option. All right, we could get 70 cents if we want the 15s, but remember, we need to go a little bit into the money, and it's better to be safe than sorry. Let's go with the 14.50 here. You know what I'm saying? Because remember, we're dealing with a volatile stock here. Okay, let's hit trade. All right, let's go with, this is going to be a buy right. Remember, we're doing a covered call here. So that means we have to buy shares at the same time. In this case, we're going to buy 500 shares, remember. Each option is 100 shares. So we're going to do 500. We've been pretty lucky on this one on 500s. So there's going to be 5 contracts, sell to open. Make sure it's sell to open. Okay, expiration date. Remember, we're only going to do this week. We're going to put a strike price on a 14.50 because we don't know what's going to happen to the market by the end of Friday here. Okay, it's going to come around about $1. We subtract $1 off of this price here, which gives us about a 14.11. So we come down here, we say, hey, we want it at 14.11. Let's put down 14.12 by 1 penny. Let's see what difference it makes here. Okay, our profits will be $190, but you got to subtract our commission. So, all right, let's go with this. All right, well. All right, now it even dropped even further. See, so you got to watch this, and then what you got to do is you got to subtract $1 off of this. Okay, so sometimes when it's starting to dip, you have to dip with it, and now we're underneath 99 cents here. So, okay, so what's going to happen here is we need to get closer to this puppy. All right, that one's a little bit better there. All right, so here, let's go with, let's say subtract $1 off of that, would be $1.09. You know what? Just to be on the safe side, let's go with 14.10. I think it'll take better. Okay, let's hit this puppy one more time here. Let's see this. Okay, $1. Okay, we'll pay a little bit more. Okay, and then we'll hit this puppy here. We hit preview order. Okay, now we hit preview order. We check out what we're doing here. We are buying 500 shares. We're selling to open 5 contracts, and it's a call option here. Okay, our estimated gain is $200. Okay, and let's go ahead and click this submit order. All right, let's go back to the market. Let's see what's going on here. Still doing a little bit of dipping here. It's not really doing much here for Norwegian Cruise. The overall market, the S&P, is kind of like flat. All right, let's go back to our order here and see if anything has happened. Okay, I'm going to work this order here, NCLH. So I'm not going to hold you guys up. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold off on another trade until coming up here probably Wednesday. We'll do another trade in regards to LUV. I'm liking wind dropping down here, but it's not dropping down far enough. Okay, but LUV, it dropped that $1. That's a start, but I really don't want to get into. You know what? Let's take a look at LUV and see if we can get something down further. All right, let me check out what's going on here. You know, let's do a quick change on this one here first. Let's go with 11 pennies. Let's see if I can do that. You know what? Let's be $1. Subtract $1 off of there. You know, I'm not doing that. No way. Okay, all right. Let's go ahead and check the options. One quick thing here. Let's go with LUV. This is that Southwest stock I really want to get into. This is the only stock that I was thinking about picking up. See, it did that dip, but let's go out. Let's go out a week. Yeah. Let's go out a month. I don't know, 33 could be safe. Let's look at what the options are for this. You know, the computer is real slow. I mean, my internet is slow today. All right. Now, the 32 that I'd be interested in. Okay, that's $1 from now. Would give us $70 protection. Now, we can actually get 2 of these. Let's see what the 31 looks like. 31 is at the 2. It looks like not too many people is playing around with the 31s. It looks like the 32s are the only one that are really active. Okay, let's see if we can do 2 of these orders. Let's hit trade. You know, let's give these guys a benefit of doubt. I think 32 will be okay for us. That gives us another $1 of downward action. All right, let's go ahead and do a buy right. See, we got plenty of money here to play with here. Buy right. We'll buy. We're going to buy. In this case, we're going to buy 200 shares. It's going to be 2 options. Okay. We're going to deal with an expiration date of this week. We're going to give it a strike price of 32. And it's going to be a call option. Remember, sell to open. Now, we might end up hanging on to this if it dips below 32 for another week or 2. But at some point, this thing will bounce back. This thing is a good stock, and it's it's good company. All right, they're saying we're going to get about $130 if we take the ask price. But you know us, we don't like to take the ask price. We like to get them to work for us. All right, let's see how much money we get there. We get $140 because it's going to cost $1.20. It's going to cost us $2. Okay, 31.30. 32, 33. See, what you do is you add this number to this number here. So 170 would give us a 33. See, it dropped down to 170. Yeah. Okay, it would give us $33 a 1 penny. So let's go with 30. I think this is a good price. Okay, let's hit preview order. All right, let's check out this order here real quick. 200. Sell to open, 2 options. This week's contract 32 and the call option. Okay, we're going to hit submit the order. All right, let's check our order status. Okay, it looks like it got executed. All right, looks like NCLH is having a problem executing right now. Let's look at NCLH here. Yeah. It's giving us some issues here. It wants me to go up a little bit. Let's see if we can go up 1 penny and see if it'll change it. Wow, we might get 3 trades in here. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Yeah, I see 108, 107. Yeah, I don't know if I want to give up a penny, but you know what? Let's do 1 penny. Let's see if this thing goes. If they want to keep that extra $5, we'll see how it works. I think the brokerage wants that extra penny. All right, let's try it again here. All right, folks, I'm not going to hold you up any further. I will keep working this NCLH so we can get some decent profits in there. And I want you guys to enjoy the rest of your day. And we'll talk again on Wednesday. All right, and everybody, the special report video that I done over the weekend, please watch that. It's a fun video, and we'll go over some more on Wednesday. Okay, I appreciate everybody watching, and give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe to our channel, and follow our journey here. Okay, this is Sonny, and thank you, and I'm out.